If you are facing the unknown network error on Instagram for Android, here's how to fix it. First, check your internet connection by switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if the issue is related to your network. If the problem persists, turn on airplane mode for a few seconds and turn it off to refresh your connection. Next, clear Instagram's cache by going to Settings, Apps, App Management. Find Instagram app from the list and tap on it. Storage, then tap Clear Cache. If that doesn't work, try clearing data, but keep in mind this will log you out. Also, check if Instagram is down by visiting a website like Down Detector or searching "Is Instagram down" on Google. If servers are down, you'll need to wait until Instagram fixes the issue. If the error continues, update Instagram by going to the Google Play Store and checking for updates. Outdated apps can cause unexpected errors. You can also log out and log back in to refresh your session. As a final step, try reinstalling Instagram. Uninstall the app, restart your phone, then download and install Instagram again. That's it. Now you know how to fix the Instagram unknown network error on Android. If this helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more Instagram fixes.